My lovely robot coordinators have done a wonderful job and you're all in position. I am so eager to share some fascinating insights about the sound system of Sphere, which is a favorite of mine. Sphere's immersive sound system represents the largest concert-grade auditory setup on the planet. Interestingly, about 99% of the speakers remain concealed from the guests. Every audience member is assured a clear, unblemished auditory experience. Our team of engineers has constructed beams that evenly distribute sound throughout the venue. These beams possess the capability to manipulate sound, thereby enabling various auditory experiences to occur simultaneously within the venue. Let us present a demonstration using the speakers situated behind me. Kindly navigate towards one of the spotlights on the ground behind you. For our multi-language demonstration, I will play 4 languages out of the speakers behind me at the same time. But if you are properly positioned in one of our spotlights, you will only hear 1 language at a time.
Wow.
In Spotlight 1, you will hear Arabic. In Spotlight 2, you will hear English. In Spotlight 3, you will hear Mandarin Chinese. And in Spotlight 4, you will hear Spanish. As the track plays, please make your way from one spotlight to the next. By moving just a few feet, you will have an entirely new audio experience. Let's get ready to impress, and don't forget to check out all 4 spotlights for the complete auditory experience. Thank you, my friends. Now initializing multi-language demonstration.
2019年，世界上最大的球形建筑 Sphere 开始动工。它宽516英尺，高366英尺，环绕球体外部的数字屏幕由大约120万个 LED 光点组成。这些小光点相互
que actúan en coordinación para crear la espectacular presentación con resolución de 2K que presenciaron en el exterior.
足以容纳几个自由女神像，而您目前所在
The atrium you're currently standing in is big enough to comfortably host over 3,000 people. Sphere is home to Earth's largest and highest resolution screen, which will wrap up over and around you. Its media
واو.
ويتجلس حول المواضع الدول يمتد مستوى سطحها إلى